fixed on these products ever since and incorporated them in our practice. And so let's talk about the first product that I was sampled with. Yes, because we're a sample based company, and I was sampled with an overnight shipment of 10 packets of this product, the Vacía. And so Vacía in Spanish means to move out, and it's a proprietary blend of tea, papaya, dextrin fiber, chamomile, which is amazing. And guess what, guys? This little satchel, you put in a water bottle, drink it, you will have what we call a Tava experience within 3 to 6 hours. When I sample people and get them started, or my patients when they get started, I tell them to weigh themselves before they take the tea, and after they have their Tava experience, their elimination, to weigh themselves again. And the difference is how much digested and undigested waste that they had in their gut. And it is amazing to see how much we really can carry. You can carry anywhere from 25 to 50 pounds of fecal matter of waste. And this product gets it moving and up and out of there. Did I mention the senna? The senna extract in here is what gets the gut motility going, to gives that muscle motility to get the fecal matter out. The chamomile is very calming and anti-inflammatory. The papaya as well, and the dextrin scrubs the walls of that colon to get all that old dead slough up and out, which primes the gut for the next product, which we're going to talk about right now. So the first thing was the Vacía, less than 1 gram of sugar, right? And so let's talk about the dextrin too. It's a fiber. It has about a same amount of fiber in it as an apple. So you guys know that old saying, the apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? So now you got that gut prime to absorb. Now this product here helped my practice doing, what happened within the last 2 years. I don't even like talking about it anymore, even saying it anymore. But we do IV infusion therapy with vitamins. And so this liquid vitamin gives you 85% of absorption, which is comparable to the IV infusion, which gives you 100% because it bypasses the gut altogether. The infusion does. But being that we did the Vacía, got that gut primed and ready, now the Valley 30, the liquid vitamin, is now going to be readily absorbed. You're going to be hit with a whole bunch of pack of complex B vitamins in there, 300% of biotin, which guys know is amazing for hair, skin, and nails, in combination with the psyllium and zinc that is in here too, because you need those minerals also for hair, skin, and nails. And zinc is known for brain health. You can Google that and find out for yourself in regards to that. Also, you have glucosamine in here, which is good for those joints to keep them lubricated. And it also has tart cherry juice in it, which is a potent anti-inflammatory, which I used to send some of my patients who suffered from chronic joint problems, including gout. I would tell them to go to the health food store and buy tart cherry juice. And now they don't have to do that. It's all in this Valley 30, right? It also has superfruits in here, which you would not see vitamin C on the back of here, but the superfruits contain the vitamin C that you definitely need, not only to boost your immune system, but vitamin C is very, very important in wound healing and healing within itself, and a very major component in collagen building, which we know collagen, is this big trend that is happening right now. But these products help produce biochemically with the vitamin A, the vitamin C, the vitamin E that you need to build collagen. So this is an amazing product. So we're cleansed and we replenish with the Valley 30. So now we're going to set you on fire. Yes, your metabolism is very, very important in burning calories. When you eat, you want to make sure that your metabolism is efficient, and this product helps with that. You get hit again with a whole bunch of B vitamins again, which is very, very important. All the enzymatic biochemistry activities that happen in the body. You also have 6 probiotics. Yes, I said 6, that help replenish the gut. Because remember, we're doing a whole system. We did the Vaccia tea that got everything moving up and out, including the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. So we need to replenish the gut with the good bacteria. Happy gut, happy life, right? And 75% to 80% of your immune system is housed in your gut. When you were being formed in your mother's belly, there is what we call the germatome that separates to go make the brain and make the gut. It's the same cells. And have you ever said, if I would have just, I had a gut feeling, or whatever the case may feel it be, whatever you said, yes, your gut is your second brain. Serotonin is very important. Serotonin is what we call a mood elevator, that helps keep people elevated, their mood. Sunshine helps stimulate and produce serotonin. And so in the winter months, or depending on where you live, you don't get much sunshine, so you don't get that much serotonin, but your gut should be able to help with that process. And how do you make serotonin in the gut? Every time that you have elimination. Do you know the average African American may have only a bowel movement maybe every 3 days, sometimes maybe even once a week, because of their diet? And that is not normal. You should at least, really, you should be having a bowel movement every time you eat. But so many things that they're doing to our foods. If you're going once a day, that is optimal. And these products help prime you as a tool to keep you regular, so you will have a good immune system, so your mood will be elevated as well, and your metabolism will be pristine because of the chromium and the sugar regulators that are in this product, right? The Flare would take you there, right? And so we have cleansed, we have replenished, and we have ignited your metabolism by burning those calories efficiently with this product, in conjunction with your body doing what it should do naturally. Isn't that amazing? I love these products as a system now. Now, the last product, not the least, but is one of my favorites too. My testimony is, when that thing happened within this last 2 years, I had to go to telehealth, and I had to sit a lot. And sitting a lot, I'm the type of person, I had to incorporate, like, Grace, you have to take breaks. But once I start working, I want to get it done. And so I would sit for hours and hours before I would take a break, and my hips took a hit. And guess what? This Fit product helped with the coffee. What it has in it is a grand grade of Colombian bean coffee, 120 milligrams of potassium. It has guarana leaf in it, which is amazing. It has a chaga mushroom in it, which is phenomenal, and it has L-theanine in it. So let me tell you how that works. As you guys, and let me not forget the CBD, but let me tell you why this combination is so ingenious. Caffeine has what we call a vasoconstricting property, which causes the muscles to clamp down and the blood vessels, and also muscles throughout your body to become more tense, right? And so when I diagnose a patient with high blood pressure, I tell them behavior modification things: no salt, no pop, no pork, and no caffeine. So that includes coffee and, soda pops, or wherever you're from, maybe pop or whatever, to avoid all of that. But this coffee has ingredients that counteracts the effects of the caffeine. Okay. So where caffeine is vasoconstricting, the potassium is vasodilating. So when you have more blood vessels opening up, blood to flow more freely, more blood flow, more oxygen, more alkalinization in the body, which disease really does not like. But at the same time, I have to be careful. These products are all natural. So all products, here's the disclaimer, you can't say that they diagnose, that they prevent or cure or treat, but I can explain biochemically how they work in the body. And so you have this guarana leaf that is in there, which helps with appetite suppression, but at the same time, it helps the muscles to relax too. So you don't want patients to have palpitations because of the caffeine and all that other kind of stuff. And the guarana leaf helps with that. The L-theanine, I would prescribe this as a supplement for people to be calm, that deal with jitteriness and have problems sleeping at night. I would just say, get you some L-theanine and take it before bedtime. Because guess what is in this coffee? So you have a calm alertness going on. The chaga mushroom in it is a potent anti-inflammatory. You have coffee bean extract in here also. Green coffee bean extract, what has been known to help suppress appetite. So you got this whole system working synergistically together. Let's talk about the CBD. CBD is the medicinal part of the marijuana plant. There's CBD and THC. We don't want the THC. Put that in the comments. No THC for me, and no THC in this Caprice Deluxe Blend coffee. THC has been known to cause the euphoria when people smoke marijuana. When people come down off their the euphoria, they get what they call the munchies. It's because of the THC. People become very forgetful. That's because the THC does burn brain cells. People become more short-winded. Their endurance goes down when they smoke because of the THC. THC has been known to increase estrogen in men, which we don't want, men, of course. And it also, literature says that THC also decreased sperm count. And THC also increased testosterone levels in women. We don't want that, right? Because testosterone in women causes acne and even facial hair and truncal obesity, all the things that lead to other diseases. And we don't want that. And so THC is not in this product. We have a certified letter that says that this product is THC free. Now the CBD, the medicinal part of it, it helps calm. It helps also with pain. It blocks 5 pain pathways versus an opiate, which blocks 1, right? And the CBD also helps with inflammation. And so this is all in this amazing coffee. I drank it for the first time when I was telling you about my hips. I'm coming back to that story. I drank it. I went to sleep. I woke up in the morning, and for the first time in months, I didn't have the stiffness or the discomfort in my hips. That is not a medical claim. That is my personal emotional testimony, because I almost cried that morning because I was like, oh my God, I was relieved for the very first time in a long time. And this is an amazing product. So we cleansed. We replenished, right? We ignite with our flair for the metabolism. And then now we made this delicious cup of coffee so we can sit back and relax and exhale. This is a complete system. You need to try it. And also, it is doctor used and doctor recommended. And I am Dr. Grace, and I approve this message. Thank you so much.